Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to transfer crypto from a Web3 wallet to Binance. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser and log into your Binance account. After that, navigate to the top right corner and select Deposit. Next, click on On-Chain Withdrawal and choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Binance will then provide you with a deposit address, so make sure to copy this address. Next, open your chosen Web3 wallet app. This could be MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or any other compatible wallet. In this example, we will use Phantom Wallet. Simply select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and tap the Send or Transfer button. In the recipient's address field, paste the deposit address that you copied from Binance. After pasting the address, double-check both the address and the amount you wish to transfer to ensure everything is correct. Once you verified that all details are accurate, confirm the transaction. It's crucial to ensure that the network you are using on your Web3 wallet matches the network on Binance. For example, if you are transferring Ethereum, both platforms should be set to the Ethereum network. So that's basically how to transfer your crypto from a Web3 wallet to Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.